Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous video we have learned about state in React 18. Today I will be telling you what are hooks at a glance in React 18 and how to use hooks at a glance in React 18 from start to end. I will be telling you what are hooks in React 18 and how to use it with glance using React. So just remember to see this video if you want to learn what is hooks at a glance in React 18, and if you want to see more videos like that you can check my previous videos which I have uploaded, because that will giving you help in which I've telling all the things related to React 18 and I've telling different things in the different videos which we have just made previously on. You can also check my future video. For watching that you have to hit subscribe button, and after subscribing hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos, and also share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future because that will giving you help moving forward, and I hope you'll be understanding today's video also. So remember to see this also because that will giving you help. And like I'm telling you, today's video is about hooks at a glance, and we will be seeing what are hooks at a glance and how to use it in React 18. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what are hooks at a glance in React 18 and how to use it. So just like in the previous video, we have learned about what is state in React 18. So in today's video, I will be telling you what is hooks at a glance in React 18, like I've told you in the starting. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what is a hook at a glance in React 18. So for using this, here I will be opening my VS Code and my browser, which is called Microsoft Edge. So this was our file on which we will be working. This was our app1 folder here, and this was our app.js file in which we were working in the previous videos also. So here this was the state tag which I have made in the previous video when we were working about the state. So in today's video I will be telling you what is hooks at a glance. So now we'll be starting with that. So here I will be raising all the stuff from state tag. Then here I will be raising this import state as well, because today we'll be learning about hooks. So now, like we have just imported the state tag in the previous video, in today's video also I'll be importing hooks at a glance. So we'll be not importing the whole tag hooks at a glance, we'll be only importing hooks. So here now I will be writing import hooks. So first of all, we have to check hooks has been installed or not. So here I will be writing hooks. You can see it has not installed, only render hook result, render hook options has been installed. So here, like in the previous video, we have downloaded the state. So in this video, we will be downloading hooks. So here for downloading, you have to write here npm install, or you can say I, which should be hooks. Press enter. Now when you'll be pressing enter, so it will be now installing hooks here directly. So you can see it is saying that ideal tree, and it has been installed all the stuff. You can see it has installed all this stuff. Now when it has installed, just you have to write here import, and after importing here I will be writing hooks. So now you can see we are getting hooks because now we have installed that. So you will be also getting this hook as well. So we will be importing this hooks. I will be pressing this. Now it is saying that you have imported hooks from hooks. So here I will be making the tag of hooks, like previously we have built the tag of state. So here I will be opening and closing this tag. Then here you have to move in this hooks tags, and I'll be writing this is hooks, like we have done in the previous video. So the method is same, just you have to do one thing. You have to just install the library if it is not installed in your operating system. If it is installed, so you have to check it by writing the library name, like I was just writing in the previous and this video as well. Then if it is not installed, so you have to move to terminal. Then you have to write npm install. Just you have to write your library name, then press enter, so your library will be installed. Then after that you have to import your library directly at the top, and after importing you have to write this hook tag, and then when you will be writing, just you have to write a text in that, so you can just see it is working or not. So now it is working, so we are getting this is hooks. Now if I get on inspect, so I can see now if I move to console, so we will be getting same error like we were getting in the previous video when we were working about a state. So like this you can work with hooks at a glance, and in this video we have learned about hooks, and I hope you understand how to import hooks and how to write the tag of hooks here. So remember to do one thing, like first of all you have to import, then you have to write the tag directly. Don't write tag or directly don't write import, because if you write that all stuff, so just it will be not working and giving you error. If I just remove this import from here, and then if I just save, so you will be seeing that it will be giving me error. So please reload. So you can see it is giving me error that hook is unrecognized. Now if I just do one thing here, if I erase this hooks form directly here, then here as well, save this. Now you can see it is just not giving me any error because I have only written hooks in a text. So here I'll be pressing Ctrl Z to get that all stuff. Reload. Now we are just getting that it is saying hooks is unrecognized in this browser because this is the old version browser. In the previous video I've also telling you, and you can see it is saying that you can render it using a React component, but we will be not using React component here. we are working with React 18, so we will be using React 18 component, and we can't use React 18 component to just render it. So it has to be used React component, but we don't have to render these all stuff because now we have understand that how to import the library by downloading from terminal, and how to work with this by writing the tag of this. So like that, you can just work with this, and like this you can just see this was the video about hooks, and I hope you understand what is hooks at a glance in React 18. So method was same in the previous and this video, but the difference was that just we have installed hooks library. In the previous video we have installed state library, and in the previous video we have import state, in this video we have import hooks. So that's different was about the text, but all the things, or you can say pattern, was same, just text was changed. So nothing about that. Just I hope you understand, and you understand the pattern of both stuff, like how to import state, how to import hooks. So like this you can work with hooks at a glance in React 18. I hope you understand this video. This video was similar to the previous video, but difference what that, just text difference like I've telling you. So just I'll be uploading more videos like that, and I hope you will be understanding all the future things as well like this one. So just I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope you'll be understanding that all stuff, because that will be giving you help moving forward. And if you want to see more videos like that, so hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell, from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. And also share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future as well, so it will be giving you help moving forward. So just I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, good bye.